talk about augmented reality, virtual screens, the Picasso platform. It's gonna be a very fun presentation. As you can see, we have added over 25 million screens. These are virtual screens. We're gonna see what all that is about. So let's jump right into it. The Bitfari augmented reality platform, also called Picasso, the Picasso Release, it's one of our most innovative and dynamic releases. It joins forces with the other three components of the system to create a comprehensive advertising solution. We use a billboard advertising model where we create an abstraction of the ad as a billboard, and we distribute these ads using many multimedia distribution platforms. The first one is Real Billboards. This was done in the neural release. We connected with multiple billboard networks, and we're gonna keep connecting with many more billboard networks globally. We have connected Bitfari with around 250,000 screens, real screens, 50,000 billboards, like real billboards, and that's only going to keep growing. We anticipate the augmented reality platform to be complementary to that, and also it's going to be a bigger park of screens, as you will see shortly. Then with our online release, which is Bitfari 3, the one that comes next month, we are going to deploy all of the Bitfari ads online. So if you have a website, you will be able to get paid in Bitcoin, Faris, or Stacks just by showing ads on your website with no traffic limitations. Bitfari 3 will also have a layer that will solve the problem of click fraud. So there will be no click fraud and there will be no page view fraud on our platform. All of this is supported by our mining and contextualization solution, which was shipped on the Paro release. We're gonna make a video about this one because we have gotten a lot of questions. So right after I finish this video, I'm gonna make a video about mining, and I'm gonna upload it. And then tomorrow we're gonna have an AMA on Discord where I will answer questions about AR. So let's speak first about the Bitfari growth. We're getting a lot of pages indexed on various search engines. We're getting a lot of traffic. Right now we're getting around 2,000 views per day across websites. Our subscriber base is also growing. The audience it just keeps growing, so that's very exciting. We have added the launch app link to the website, so people start checking out the app and they become familiarized with it. We have added multiple functionalities to the app, so now favorites are active, sidebar search is active, translation is active, HTTPS is active. Now we have the Connect wallet, so you can use multiple identities while using the app. All the data gets uploaded into Gaia, and then when you pay and publish, an NFT is generated, serving as a confirmation of your ad and your campaign. We have the largest billboard catalog in the planet, so we're gonna upload that so that everybody can see our billboards. We added 20 networks, so we consolidate those billboards using groups. So we have one network that only shows ads in gyms, in offices, on Times Square, in high schools. We have the billboards.btc, which is like only for large billboards with over 500,000 visitors per day. So it's very exciting. Screen generation is also active, so if you generate a screen, an NFT will be created dynamically so that there are no civil attacks on the network. So that's really exciting. As you can see here, we have 3 screens. So if you just keep generating screens, you're just gonna keep getting these NFTs. So you can have multiple screens per wallet. So if you have, let's say, a restaurant or a gym, or even if you have multiple TVs in your house, you can set up multiple screen NFTs, and you can set one for your TV, one for your let's say living room TV. If you have one TV in the basement, you can set one there as well. If you have a mobile phone, you don't need to do this. We just You just need to install the wallet to get paid. But if you wanna use it on mobile with your phone, you can also do that. All right. We also ship the cloud projector so you can show ads. We are going to release native projectors as well, but our efforts are just we just want to chip everything and get everything working so that people get a sense of the platform and we start building a user base, and then we're gonna go back and refine everything. Um, that's gonna happen like pretty soon. We launch into testnet in late February. We have been testing for close to a month and a half. So I think that maybe in a month and a half, we will be releasing a lot of code into mainnet, like we did with the token last year. Um, so in Q3 and Q4, once everything is audited and shipped into mainnet, we will start doing primetime TV. We have been approved for a program in Bloomberg, which is nice. It's very exciting. Just speak to this. This is a blockchain platform that has less than 1 year, and we are already getting prime time features. So that's incredibly exciting for all of us. And our goal is just to become larger than Facebook and Google combined, because that is the size of the major billboard networks combined. If you add all the billboard networks, they just gather more attention than Google and Facebook combined. A lot of people ask us what are our daily active users. That doesn't really make sense for our model. If because the billboards just get millions of users. So if I were to tell you that, it would be close to 200 million people that pass through our billboards every day. Now, in terms of app usage, yes, we only have around 2,000 people that use the app every day, but those are basically testers spread out globally. But in terms of exposure and attention gathering, our network is really commanding a lot of attention already.